Alright, we're just going to start our session for Astron Institute of International Studies, Gurgaon, which is an academic vertical of the Astron Hospital and Healthcare Consultants. We are academic partners to various universities dealing in MBBS. We deal with Ukraine, Russia, Philippines, Mauritius, Georgia and many more other countries. Today our concentration is towards Russia. आज हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ बात करेंगे स्टडी इन रशिया के बारे में. बहुत स्टूडेंट्स काउंसलिंग के दौरान हमारे पास आते हैं ये बोलकर कि मैम विच इज द बेस्ट कंट्री, लो बजट कंट्री, बेस्ट क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, फैसिलिटीज विच आर अप टू द ऑप्टिमम लेवल. सो वी आर हियर टू टॉक अबाउट रशिया जिसके पास सारी फैसिलिटीज है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मिस आउट ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ स्पुतनिक. जैसे आप सब जानते ही हैं, द फर्स्ट वैक्सीन फॉर COVID-19 केम फ्रॉम रशिया एंड स्पुतनिक वॉज द वन. The entire program is just for 5 years, 8 months, including your internship, including your clinical rotation, everything. Then comes the modern facilities of teaching, because you are not just dealing with your books, you are not just studying from your books, but you are also studying from practical perspectives. बहुत सारी practical पढ़ाई होती है, hands on training होती है, because अगर हम हमारी hands on training की बात करेंगे तो students are more comfortable when things are taught on the training purpose, hands-on training से rather than just giving them a theory or giving them examples how to do it. Above all, teacher-student ratio is 1:7. एक टीचर के ऊपर 7 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. इंडिया का सिनेरियो आप सब लोगों को पता है, मैं बताना नहीं चाहूंगी, आप सब जानते ही हैं. And there is no entrance examination that you have to give in Russia in particular universities. कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज में देना पड़ता है जरूर, जैसे कि there is Kazan Federal. काफी सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज जो है वो विदाउट एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन स्टूडेंट को एक्सेप्ट करती है. अबव ऑल, इंडियन मेस फैसिलिटी. आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट द 2 बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज विच आई कैन प्लान फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर कंप्लीटली इंग्लिश टॉट. That is the Perm State Medical University in Russia, which is a 107-year-old university. 107 साल पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी है the Perm State Medical University in Russia. इसकी खासियत ये है, यहाँ पर आपको इंग्लिश, completely English taught university मिलती है. Plus, it's a 5.8 years MBBS program. Number of international students हर साल 2100 से ऊपर के नंबर पे जाते हैं. And the facility of the hostel is excellent. They have girls and boys separate hostels. The number of hospitals whom they are associated is 40 plus. मतलब वहाँ पर्म में ही आपको 40 से ऊपर अस्पताल मिलेंगे जहाँ पे you can do your internship and your clinical rotation with a lot of comfort. Fee structure is very nominal. It is just $5,500 per year your tuition fees. Plus, of course, you have your mess expenses that is per year $1,200 only. So, जो आपका tuition fees है वो include करता है आपका hostel fees भी. Mary State Medical University. Mary State Medical University developed in 1972, another old university with a very low budget. This university has international students footfall of 8,000 students हर साल प्लान करते हैं for Mary State Medical University. इस यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ 10 hospitals associated है for clinical rotation and for other purposes. Plus, Indian mess facility is 100% available. I want to know about MBBS in Ukraine. Mr. Dushyant Sharma has asked me this question over the Zoom. So yes, Dushyant, hi, very warm welcome, Dushyant. So I will be able to help you about Ukraine. Yes, I'm dealing with a lot of universities in Ukraine. Ternopil, Bogunivian, Ivano. I'm dealing with the Bogomolets. And the best part, Vinitsa. Tomorrow we are coming up with a webinar on Vinitsa. Our team, our esteemed international recruitment manager, Ms. Tatanova, is going to join us tomorrow. So I would request Mr. Dushyant Sharma to join us for that as well. And you'll be able to know more about that. Meanwhile, all you need to do about Ukraine is that you need to just, just call up on the number that I have mentioned on the chat box. And my team will be able to help you out better to know more about the universities, what kind of budget you have. All the questions are done. Still, if you all have any questions, we are available we are always available, to be contacted for any counseling. Everybody who has joined in our Zoom session, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.